Okay, in this final video, I'm going to show you how to sell an asset. So if you go to sales and let's go to invoices, let's sell an asset to one of our employees, Sarah, who is leaving. So let's leave it as today, and let's say that she's buying her screen back. And let's say that we're selling that to her at £150. Now, we've got to make sure that when we sell it, we select the nominal code to which the fixed assets are being recorded. So here we want to go to the computer hardware. So we're going to hit Save as Draft and Mark Send. Now, because this has been allocated to the fixed asset account, it should appear within the Accountant and the Fixed Assets tab. So this is the one that we're selling to her. So if we now click here and go to Sell, we can select the invoice it relates to. So this is the one that it relates to. The line item was the screen, and we're saying that it is profit and loss on disposal. And Zara has left. Screen sold as part of exit. So this now has been marked as sold. As soon as we've marked this as sold, we can see the invoice that it relates to. Here. And we can also see on the depreciation that this has stopped being recorded now. There is no more forecasted depreciation. The last thing I'd like to show you is the reports. So under reports, you can tab down to the accountant, and there is a fixed asset register here, and you can see the status, the type, purchase date, and you can see the net book value of all of these. So it's a really neat little way of doing it and recording at the end of the year